what was the primary target of the perpetrators driving the I-20 car, Gaurav? We have reconstructed the final 30 minutes of this car's journey through Chandni Chowk across Netaji Subhash Chandra Marg. So what we know is that at 6:22, this car, this white color I-20 car, was placed roughly 900 meters away from Red Fort at Sunahri Masjid. You can see Sunahri Masjid is there. This is Netaji Subhash Chandra Road. Once it leaves Sunahri Masjid parking at around 6:22 p.m., it moves towards the Jain temple. There is also a metro, Lal Killa metro here. So it starts to move towards the Rajghat side. Now this is important, and this goes to show what the real intention, the real target of the perpetrators was, because during their journey to the Red Fort, there was a time at the red light, there was a time where they came very close to the Jain temple as well as the Gauri Shankar temple, and right beside the temple is the metro station. So if the intention was to carry out a blast at the temple, they could have done it here. They did not. They passed the Jain temple, they passed the Chandni Chowk road, they even passed a very crowded electronics market and the gate number 1 of metro station. What they did was, they traveled 400 meters extra towards west, and they made a U-turn. Why? Because they wanted to get as close to the Red Fort, Gaurav, as possible. And this was the point, right near the traffic signals. This was the point. This is the point any private vehicle driving on Netaji Subhash Chandra Road Marg, Gaurav, you cannot go even farther than this. So this was the closest any private car can come as far as Red Fort is concerned. And perhaps the intention, and anybody who has been tracking Jaish-e-Mohammed for over a decade will tell you, Gaurav, that in all his speeches, one building that he often discusses, the Jaish-e-Mohammed chief Masood Azhar, he discusses Red Fort all the time. If apart from one religious site, he mentions Red Fort in Delhi very frequently. So the route suggests that 400 meters of extra distance was traveled by this I-20 only to make sure that they are on the other side of the road, which is much closer to the Red Fort building. Of course, there was no damage caused to the main building, but they tried to reach as close to the building